Hey guys, Carl at MarineMax Panama City Beach again. Today I'm going to show you a brokered listing that we just brought in. Everglades 325 2015 model. We're going to jump aboard here, see what she has. A great boat to get you out there, good price point, and at 32 feet, do everything you want it to. Let's step on board. All right guys, starting in the bow of this 325 Everglades wraparound seating, you have the bow insert, also the cushion to make this a full lounge for you. Storage on both of the backrests, both port and starboard. Looking forward, in front of the helm, you've got captain's seating, two captain's chairs, again facing forward. Very comfortable, very nice seating package. Moving to the helm, you're equipped with Garmin electronics. Got your Garmin VHF, JL audio sound system. Very nice helm that Everglades puts out. Looking behind the helm, you're outfitted with a sink. Everything you'll need for your bait station, cutting boards, knife holding, plenty of storage underneath. And then of course with the 325 Everglades, you've got a huge cockpit here for fishing, fish box at the transom, and then your live well or bait well, if you will, to port aft there. Gunnel storage as well. Again, this boat is outfitted with Yamaha 300s. It's brokered through me, Carl Ferrara. Call me directly if you like, 334-695-6035. I would love to show the boat to you.